Good day, I'm Andrea Chizom and this is your JIS News for Thursday, December 17. Cabinet has approved a contract with China Harbour Engineering Company to design, improve and construct sections 1A and 1B of the Southern Coastal Highway.
This will involve work from Harbour View to Morant Bay as part of the overall segment from Harbour View to Port Antonio. The existing main road along the southern coastal section of the island has been in a generally poor condition. The alignment, surface condition, and drainage are in need of major improvement.
Work on the 43-kilometer roadway from Harbourview to Morant Bay is estimated to cost $385 million.
A section of the highway will also be constructed to accommodate 4 lanes, and major structures are to be built, including 16 bridges, 1 flyover, 1 subway, along with new pipe and box culverts.
The Information Minister was speaking at Wednesday's Jamaica House media briefing. The project is funded by the China Exim Bank. It's being accommodated through a 5-year public sector investment program from 2016 to 2021. With the Executive Board of the International Monetary Fund (IMF) confirming that Jamaica has passed the 10th straight test, the country is set to receive another $39.3 million under the Extended Fund Facility. In a statement, Deputy Managing Director and Acting Chair of the IMF, Minzu, said the Jamaican authorities had an impressive track record of strong program implementation. The board also confirmed that Jamaica's primary surplus target would be reduced from 7.5% to 7.25% in this fiscal year and 7% in 2016-2017. This will give the government about $4 billion more to spend in the first instance and $8 billion more in the second. The IMF said the relaxation of the primary surplus target was to increase growth-enhancing capital expenditures while continuing to protect social spending. The police have seized over 155 guns and close to 2,000 rounds of ammunition under the Get the Guns campaign. A release from the Corporate Communications Unit of the Jamaica Constabulary Force says the statistics show an average of 1 gun seized per day since the official launch of the campaign on September 17. 34% of the guns were seized in the Area 1 Police Division, which comprises Western parishes. 25% were seized in the Area 4 Police Division, the parish of Kingston and some areas of St. Andrew. The remaining 31% of the firearms seized were in the Area 2, 3 and 5 police divisions. Through a partnership with Haitian law enforcement teams, 13 firearms destined for Jamaica were also seized. The Get the Guns campaign is aimed at confiscating illegal guns and ammunition used by criminals to commit crime. The government is working to develop Kingston into a business tourism hub. The recent opening of the Courtyard Marriott Hotel, the refurbishing of Jamaica Pegasus, and upcoming renovation of the Hilton Hotel will assist in the process. Tourism Minister Dr. Wickham McNeil says these and other initiatives will position Kingston as a vacation spot for business elites. Dr. McNeil is therefore encouraging individuals to invest in Kingston. He was speaking at the recent commissioning of a new water feature at the Constant Spring Golf Club.
One of the things that really is a good marker of how you are as a country and your development is the green space that you have. So places like Constant Spring here in Kingston are very important to your city.
The water feature, partially funded by the Tourism Enhancement Fund, is one component of a $34 million project to upgrade the infrastructure of the Constant Spring Golf Club. And finally, the Labour and Social Security Ministry will be rebranding some aspects of its operations.
We are going to move forward in re-imaging this ministry, not for it to be seen just as a farm workers ministry, but we have to now look at the labor side, look at this ministry as being a critical part of the growth agenda.
Dr. Fenton Ferguson was speaking during a tour of offices associated with the Overseas Employment Program and the Program of Advancement through Health and Education Path. He also spoke with staff members and beneficiaries of various programs offered by the Labour Ministry. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.